What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of me playing Need for Speed Heat. Let's get this party started by playing or by driving cars. Connecting to EA, alright. You do your thing, Xbox. I was trying to close a game I was playing with cloud gaming. I thought that might have made this game slower to load. But that was not the case. Alright, let's play this at night time today. Look at this whip. It's burning my eyes.
Hey, got another race for you. I'm grabbing a bite right now, but I'll meet up with you on my way back if you're interested.
I gotta meet Dex. Where's Dex? This is it. Right? So this is unavailable during the daytime? Oh man, I gotta up my level. Let's do a race, shall we? How do I turn off the radio? You know, there are copyright, on my videos, there are copyright claims now, because I play with this music on, and I gotta mute my segment where there's music. Anyway. Three, two, one. Let's go. Easy.
Better hope I don't catch you. Sirens on, engaging pursuit.
Primary. I'm looking for subject vehicles make and model.
Looks like they're at 65 Mustang.
Just got a report of a chase in your area. Feel free to join in.
I gotta go the other way. Why am I turning this way?
Nearly got him.
I'm on second position
Subject managed to escape.
because I took the wrong turn.
Dad, don't give up.
Alright, I'll catch up. I don't think I can. He's too far.
Send some backup. We need to maintain a strong presence on the streets.
Hang in there. First patrol units are on their way.
Oh, there he is. I think I can catch him. If I keep up my speed, I think I can catch him. Easy, easy, let's go. Monica! Happy Hanukkah! Let's go, baby. Back and first. That's how we roll. We roll like this. That's how we roll. We roll like this. Let's repair our car. Easy. Alright. Monica over here jealous. What's this? So I think I'm gonna upgrade my car now. Do I have to go to the garage? But I don't have anything to upgrade it for. Then how am I supposed to reach level 140? You see, on here, to do this task, my car should be at 140. I think I'll need to do more races. Let's just first go to garage. Where's our garage? Hey, where's our garage? I can't see my garage. Okay, let's just drive here. Because it's showing me that I need to be there. So even if my car is not up to that level, I'll just go there and see what we have there. Can't enter it. Alright, let's go to our garage. I already knew this. But it does say unavailable during the night. Let's just go to the garage. It was nearby. I just saw it. It's not showing up on the map. But it's showing on the mini-map. Why is that? Can somebody let me know? Why is it that my garage is not showing up on the map, but on the mini-map? Here we are.
One step at a time, huh?
Alright, performance. Oh, we can upgrade. Pro.
Hey, welcome back. Grab a seat.
Oh, it makes us to 140. Let's go. Now we can enter there. Do we play day or night? It doesn't work on night, so let's play on day. And go to Dexter, was it? Let's go to him. Here it is. Or do we play this lady's game first? No, it requires REP level 7. Let's just go here.
Why aren't you out there racing?
There's a one police car ahead of us.
Racing too.
We ain't scared.
Shut up. What you come to this town for? The weather? Get out there. Always be racing.
How are you and Lucas even related?
I know, right? I got Bobby's gift for speed. Luca got his soccer wrenches.
I'm sure he's pretty quick at fitting an air filter.
Yeah, he can do it in his sleep, which is good because it's so boring. Don't let him slow you down now.
I won't.
Good. Now race.
Why does this car spin so much? This is wheel spin. You know, I gotta upgrade my car. I gotta buy a new car now. You see? Even at slow speeds, it wheel spins. Here we are. Let's chart.
Hey there. I left Lucas a message, but well, let's go.
Let's go. Why is it that I'm always following Dex? And he doesn't tell me where he's going,
Surprise, Lucas,
and I
in the
just
race.
gotta follow him.
His pops cast a long shadow. You know what I'm saying? You heard of Roberto Rivera, right?
I've seen that corner dedicated to him at the garage.
And he's always driving
Everybody
slow.
loved that guy. Mr. Clean.
Always.
Fast,
You know, I
always
can
fair.
easily pass him. You wanna see? Here we go. Easy.
Watch me and Lucas
But I gotta
race.
slow down.
All little Lucas
and
wanted
follow
was to
him.
be a champion like his daddy. Roberto too. He pushed him hard.
Too hard?
You catch more flies with honey. That's what my mama used to say. That's why I got a sweet suspension, kid.
Even in
Way
these
before
low
the
speeds,
out-of-town
he's
road
using-
crew impresses me most.
He's wheel spinning. Ah, this game.
That's it.
Are we there where we were supposed to be at? Another race, another day, another race. Target finish first. Easy.
Come on now.
Oh, Dex is also playing this game? This race? How are we looking back there, people? Everything good? Ah. That's how we roll! I got it. Ooh. Nikos is catching up. Dex is catching up. Gotta use my nitros. Because of the e-brake. Wait. I'm not catching up to Dex. Why? Oh my god, he's fast. I gotta be more serious.
Just messing with you.
Let's not go easy on these people, you know? I guess I am fast, but my car is slow. But anyway, it's not about the car you drive. It's about the driver that's inside and driving that car.
Don't slip.
How are we looking back there, people? Smoking ya. Dex, how are we doing? You good? Did your mama made you dinner? Or breakfast?
It's yours to lose now.
Oh, I'm far up ahead then. I don't want to lose this position. So let's just be serious, alright?
This is a pretty tough bunch.
I guess this is last lap. Yep. $500 yards. Look who just finished in
I'm
first
impressed.
place.
Next race, and I'll give you a sweet, sweet suspension kit.
I'll get a suspension kit for free. Look, those people didn't even finish. All right. Finished in first place. How about that? Alright people, I'm gonna end the video here. We've had enough fun with Dexter. In the next episode, what we're gonna do is go to this lovely lady over here and play at night. We'll play some few races before to be at REP level 7, because we are now, as you can see on the top right, it says R level 6. We gotta be at 7 level. Alright, let's keep that for the next video. Let's go to our garage and save this game. Why is my garage not showing up on the bigger map? Locations. Oh, now we're talking. There we go. Oh, let's just drive slow. Easy. You hear that car? It's driving slow. Do you want me to rev it? Hear that? That's a lot of power. Pops, do you hear them? Hey, can we do a burnout? Yeah, we can. Let's do like this. You hear them pops? These pops match the music that's playing. That's enough. Save this game.
Lucas.
Had a good look around
We
the
have
city yet?
30,000
Yeah. Interesting.
in our
town.
banks. Now we can update. On-road suspension. Let's get this. Nitros. Can we upgrade? No. Let's change the look of our car. Customization. Body. Front bumper's alright. Can we make it wider? Oh yeah, now we're talking. Let's make it wide. Front fenders are done. Mirrors are good. Rear fenders. Yeah. I want to change the bumper of this. Tail lights. How are we looking? I really like this one, man. But this is one is an authentic look. But stock is looks good. So let's go with stock. Rear bumper. Let's get this one. And I also want to lower the car trunk lid. Nope, that's ugly. Spoiler, we don't need a spoiler. Oh, this one looks sick, man. Let's get this one. Or this one. This or this. I'll go with this one. Tail lights are done. What about the exhaust? Ooh. Let's go with this one. Rear wheels. Should we change the wheels? Rims. Change rim. This one is really looking... But I want something like that, but with... Let's just have a look. No. Okay, let's go with this one then. It's free, right? So, I don't want to change the paint. I can change the size. Hey, can I change, like, I want these rims, but I want to change the size. I can't, this is locked. Okay, I'll just go with this one. Calipers, we can change the calipers. Restricted by rear disc. Alright, brake discs. Oh, we don't need a disc. Whoa, we can, we do. It looks good. I go with this one, rusty one. What more do we have? Tires. It's just a print. We don't need it. Rear fenders are done. Mirrors are good. Side skirts. We do need side skirts. Okay. Let's go with this thick boy. Okay, we gotta change our front rims as well. And change the size of it. Yep. How does it look now? Yeah, it looks good. Splitter. Ooh. Let's get this. This one or this one? We'll go with this one. Front bumper is good. Grill. Oh, the classic without the logo. Let's go. Hood. Yeah, this one looks sick. I had 30,000 bucks in my bank. Let's tint it. And now I only have 13,000. Do we need it? No. Let's just keep it raw. Headlights. This is just colors? We don't have any options? Yeah, I'll keep it real. Paint and wrap. Effects. Chance. Yeah. It's already loaded to the most. Do I want this? Sure. Why not? Exhaust sound. Okay. Effects. Backfire. Tire smoke. Underglow. Air suspension. It's 15,000. Underglow. We don't. Oh yeah, underglow. What color options do you have? Blue. Let's go with this blue. 7,500. I tell you, that's crazy, man. Tire smoke. Backfire. Nitros color. What wraps do you have? Ooh, Punisher. With the stripes. What's this? Ooh. This is a nice subtle. We can try another one. Oh, the glossy look. Ah, I don't like it from the back. Red. How about red? Too much. Police look? Nah. What about this gray? Yeah, this looks good. Let's get this one. But the wheels don't match, man. I wanna change the color of the wheels. Customization, body, front wheels. Can we change the color? How do rims change color? Primary paint. Black. Let's go. Or do we... Alright, let's just first apply to all rims. And the secondary paint. Oh, we make it black too. Let's go. This looks good now. Alright, let's change this one as well. Yeah. How about now? Car looks good, right? Let's give it a go at night. Yeah. Made the car wider.
You're one race away
The
from that
wide
sweet
body
suspension,
looks
kid.
good.
If you're up for it,
Like the
meet me outside
fenders.
the old raceway.
I don't like the tires. Those are too much sticking out, you know. The neon looks good. Underglow, you know. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Alright, people, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care, bye bye, Sasha Kala, and smile more. Be tuned.